Hello, my dear ones. Today I'm going to talk about how I'm going to give you an example of how to solve an absolute value inequality. And I just wanted to solve an absolute value inequality. So here I'm going to talk about how to solve one. Okay. So here, again, here you have an example. Here you're dealing with, say, you have two vertical bars on two vertical bars. So that's an example, absolute value. And you have this less than. So this is an less than. So less than. So this is an example of an absolute value inequality. Okay. So the way to solve this problem is the following. Whenever see an absolute value, and when you see a less than, you can write this in the following. You can express this. Let me write this expression again. You can express this in the following. This means you can write this in the following way. You can write this as, because you have an absolute value and you have a less than, you can write this in the following way. You can write this as -5 less than 2x plus 1 less than 5. They're both equivalent ways to say the same thing. Okay? Right? This we express this way in the following way. And the reason we could do that is because we have an absolute value here, these two vertical bars, in this less than. That's why we can express this as this. Does that make sense to everybody? Now, what I want to do is I'm going to solve for x, right? So the way to solve for x is by, first of all, subtracting both by each side by -1. So let me use -1. So what I'm going to do is write this as -5 minus 1 less than 2x plus 1 minus 1 less than 5 minus 1. So what I did is subtracted each side by -1. It subtracted this side by negative. So let me raise my hand again. I subtracted this by -1. I subtract this by -1. And I subtract this by -1. The reason why I did that is because this one right here cancels out with this one. So they cancel each other out. So if I use my little green here, this will cancel out with this. So what do you get left over? Well, you get -5 minus 1, which is -6, less than 2x, less than 5 minus 1, which is 4. Now the next thing is we have to get x by itself, right? We want to get x by itself, right? So what we have to do is divide. We have to divide to get rid of this. We have to do to get x by itself. We have to get rid of this 2, right? And this says 2 times x. So in order to get rid of the 2, we have to divide this side, the middle side by 2 in order to get rid of the 2, right? But if I divide this middle side by 2, I must also divide the left hand side by 2, and I must also divide the right hand side by 2 in order to keep this consistent, right? So by doing this, what happens is now that this 2 cancels out with this 2. And what you get left over is -6 divided by 2 gives you -3 less than x less than, and you got 4 divided by 2 gives you 2. Okay? And your answer is done. Because remember, you're doing the absolute value inequality. Your answer is going to be involves, less than, okay, or less than. Okay, because you're dealing with a less than here, your answer is going to involve with less than signs. Okay, so that's the idea. I hope you like this video. If you think, I hope you please hit the like button if you like this video. Please share this video to those who might benefit from it. Please hit the notification bell so that you're notified of my videos, and please subscribe to my channel. It will help my channel a lot. And again, if you like, again, and also comment on my channel. So if you have any questions about this, please write it in the comments below. If you have any feedback on how I can teach this concept better, or how I can make this video better, or how I can be a better teacher, please write it in the comments below. Your feedback will be greatly appreciated, because I like to be a better teacher, and you guys are also, I'm learning, I want to learn from you how I can be a better teacher. So I really greatly appreciate it. Again, if you need help with math or statistics, I only help high school students. So if you need help with math or statistics, please email me. My email is in the description below. Bye for now. Have a wonderful day. May the math force be with you.